Did you know people with ADHD don't lack motivation because they're lazy? It's actually due to a dopamine shortage in the brain. Today, I will explain why ADHD impacts your motivation and share simple hacks you can use to get things done, even when you don't feel like it. What is ADHD? ADHD is a brain disorder where you might struggle with attention, focus, or impulsivity. Not everyone with ADHD has the same symptoms, but a common problem is motivation. If you've ever thought, "Why can't I just start this?" or felt like even a simple task is a mountain to climb, you're not alone. It's not about being lazy. It's about how your brain works. Scientists have shown that people with ADHD have a disruption in their brain's dopamine reward pathway, and dopamine is super essential for motivation. Let's break this down. How dopamine impacts motivation. Dopamine is a chemical in the brain that helps you feel rewarded when you complete a task. But with ADHD, there's a shortage of dopamine transporters. These are like delivery trucks that carry dopamine to the parts of your brain that help you stay motivated. There are two key pathways in your brain that control motivation. 1. The mesolimbic pathway. This part of your brain links pleasure to tasks. For example, eating chocolate feels good, so you want to do it again. But with ADHD, this pathway doesn't work as efficiently, so doing everyday tasks feels less rewarding. 2. The mesocortical pathway. This pathway affects your prefrontal cortex, the area of your brain responsible for decision-making and motivation. This is the pathway most affected by ADHD and the reason you might struggle to start or finish tasks. Motivation hacks. Now that you understand how ADHD impacts motivation, let's learn some practical tips to hack your brain and get things done. 1. Create urgency with a timer. Ever notice how you work best under pressure? That's because urgency kicks your brain into gear. But waiting until the last minute isn't always a great strategy. Instead, try using a timer. Set it for 25 minutes and see if you can beat the clock. This turns the task into a game and helps you break through that feeling of being stuck. 2. Make it interesting with body doubling. Sometimes, having someone around while you work can boost motivation. It's called body doubling. You don't even need to work on the same thing. Just having someone present can make you feel more focused and less alone in the task. If you don't have someone available, YouTube has tons of body doubling videos to help you focus. 3. Change your environment by switching up where you work can make a boring task feel new and exciting. Try working in a cozy coffee shop or moving to a different room in your house. A change of scenery can help your brain stay engaged. And with ADHD, sometimes all it takes is a little novelty to get motivated. 4. Use the Pomodoro technique. ADHD brains have a hard time staying focused for long periods. The Pomodoro technique helps break work into 25-minute chunks with 5-minute breaks in between. After 4 cycles, you take a longer 30-minute break. This pattern helps keep your brain fresh and motivated. So, in summary, ADHD can mess with your motivation because of a dopamine shortage in your brain. But with a few simple tricks, you can overcome that. Use a timer, work alongside someone, change your environment, or try the Pomodoro technique. Don't forget, you are amazing. Keep learning, keep growing. Constantly feed your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Congratulations! You are one step closer to the best version of you. Like this video so others can find it. Subscribe so you don't miss our next amazing life-transforming video. Take the next step and watch these videos right here.